Last week, Ramon completed the Scout certification training and is excited to get started. Tomorrow they are driving to the assigned location to scout for invasive pests. Let's follow along. It's Sunday morning, and before heading out, Ramon reviews some information about the invasive pests they are scouting for. There are also a few things to consider before scouting. What are the equipment needs, such as carrying a smartphone, airtight containers, loop or magnifying glass? What are the time and transportation needs? Schedule trips during daylight hours and always let someone know where you will be. Use reliable transportation. Be safe by practicing situational awareness and leaving a scouting area if you feel unsafe. Dress appropriately by wearing proper shoes and clothing for the scouting location. Ramon has completed invasive pest training for a specific insect and knows to look for pest eggs, larvae, nymphs, and/or adults on known host plants. Host plants are identifiable by their seeds, leaves, bark, and other defining characteristics. Ramon also looks for pest activity on known host plants and any evidence in the immediate surroundings. Aha! Ramon has found evidence of an invasive pest. Scouts should capture a photo of the invasive species and the signs and symptoms of its presence. Ramon will upload these images to the invasive species reporting tool and answer the corresponding questions. Based on the answers to the questions, the scout may be directed to elevate their report to the appropriate reporting agency. The invasive species reporting tool will be introduced in a pest-specific scouting orientation. The tool enables users to upload images and contribute to a live map associated with a specific invasive species. Even if Ramon hadn't spotted any evidence of the invasive species, they would still report the findings in the invasive species reporting tool. Information about a non-sighting is a data point that is valuable to this project. Data collected in the invasive species reporting tool is shared with the UC Integrated Pest Management Program and the California Department of Food and Agriculture. By participating in this project, UC Master Gardener volunteers amplify the work of entomologists, keeping them abreast of invasive species activity and distribution so that research, extension, monitoring, and mitigation is targeted and successful. Back at home, Ramon enters their volunteer hours into the volunteer management system to report their effort for the invasive species scouting project. It is the responsibility of the volunteer to track and record hours in the volunteer management system.